Business Ownership Initiative is a micro-enterprise organization. And what that means is we assist and we support women who are trying to support their households through self-employment. With the grant, we were able to particularly look at those providing caregiving, child care or personal care to elderly or adults with developmental disabilities, and we were then able to look at the population of women who were living at or below poverty and were trying to raise their income level.
My name is Shamika Garrison. So I always wanted to just be around kids more and to help them. I want to help kids. I want to help kids. But it doesn't pay the bills. I thought it was going to be really hard. You know, like, no, I can't be on my own. I got bills to pay. I got a child to take care of. So I worked. I've worked 3 jobs before. You know, I made it happen, whatever it took to make sure my son had what he needed. I am the proud owner of 2 great child care locations. The biggest impact that it's had is that it alleviates a lot of the stresses. It allows me to be able to be at those games. You know, I have time to meet with the teachers. It's about the kids and giving to the kids. And I know my business is going to continue to flourish because I have resources to help me. So now I have to use my resources to help you.
My name is Ruth Bosch, and I'm the owner of Home Enhanced Consignment Furniture and Home Decor. I had actually started working in the consignment field in clothing consignment and learned that I absolutely loved the concept. It's a great concept. You buy products at 40 to 75% off of the retail. The quality is good. The working woman can go in, or the woman who has a family can go in and buy what she needs and not spend a ton of money and go into debt. And then went, okay, I understand the industry, but I don't know enough about business. So I went to the business beginnings courses and took those, took some of the legal courses, took the courses to learn how to write a business plan, because of that I had the support from BOI to walk me through the process that I needed to open my doors.
I mean, we are talking, are we ready for this? We are talking 650 new businesses that were opened by women. Okay, 650 new businesses. When you look at that being over 870 employees, and if folks were getting paid an average of $17,000 or only $18,000 a year, you're in the millions of dollars of wages, income being paid in central Indiana. That's what the incredible impact has been. The Women's Fund gets what's missing. That by increasing women's income, their earnings, a lot of these other issues are solved.
My name is Sonia Ware-McGuire, and I'm the CEO at Girls Inc. of Franklin Johnson County. I think that we offer a safe, nurturing and enriching environment for the girls to come after school and summer camp.
You know, the dangers as they become teenagers, and to know that it is a safe place and they have consistency here, and I just think is wonderful.
It's because of Women's Fund dollars we've been able to serve more girls. We've been able to accept more girls. We've been able to provide scholarship assistance to more girls. So I feel very thankful to the Women's Fund. We would not be able to serve the number of girls that we've served at the level that we've been able to serve them and the assistance that we provided if it wasn't for the Women's Fund.
I'm in my 11th year as the President and Chief Executive Officer here at the Ruth Little Health Education Center. Concentrate on those areas that affect the well-being of our young people in central and southern Indiana.
It's a 2-day program that we serve 5th and 7th grade students of IPS. First day focuses on unhealthy relationships and things to look for, and day 2 focuses healthy relationships.
I am a 5th grade teacher at School 39, and I have taught with Indianapolis Public Schools for 28 years. I think it affected or helped my students, and even it helped me. Sometimes we take, as adults, we take relationships as for granted, and we have to go back and kind of realize that, you know, how important these relationships are and what we can do to improve these relationships. So it's helping students.
Well, we feel like the students have a lot more tools to use now, and many of the social workers that have joined us in the classroom have said, where has this been? Our kids have needed this a long time ago.
Yeah.
We serve 125 different school districts, 600 schools. So we're indebted to the Women's Fund. Otherwise, obviously, this program would not exist. And I think we will end up with data that suggests that every 5th and 7th grader in central Indiana should be access to a program like this.
I'm Peggy Frame. I'm the Executive Director here at Training. Part of what we do is help them gain marketable job skills so that they can go out and support their families and become self-sufficient. That has an impact on the kids and has an impact on the community as a whole.
My name's Vicki Irvin, and I'm a graduate of Training. So here I've gained confidence, I've gained a belief in myself, and I learned that I should go for my dreams and not take no, and say, yes, I can.
I think the Women's Fund is pretty innovative in the way that they do funding. They've looked at organizations and has said, how can we help you be more sustainable and grow? And so their support in the most recent years have helped us strengthen our board and provide more staff development so that our organization can continue.
My name is Delaney. I'm the Executive Director of the Julian Center. Were it not for groups like the Women's Fund stepping in with contributions to help us with ongoing operating, we would have had to adjust our mission.
As a victim, having someone there who's just there for you is very reassuring.
Recently, I had a letter from a woman out of state who has went through the Julian Center services and now has a new career and has relocated and is safe. And she was saying simply that the opportunity to turn her life around, which the Julian Center presented with support from groups like the Women's Fund, has made all the difference in her life. And we literally could not do what we do without support from groups like the Women's Fund.
I couldn't say enough about the Women's Fund and how much it means to programs like ours and just women in general. Without them, we wouldn't be here.